Look in here, you can see it on the ground. That is a large tornado right outside of our house. Smokes.
Coming down.
It's on the ground. You can see it through here.
Yeah. Yeah.
That one's on the ground, Mom. Yeah, it's on the ground too. You can see it through my camera.
Which direction is it going?
I don't know. Damn close.
Away from us?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Yeah, I think it is, Mom.
But I think it's going north. But it can change directions at any minute.
There's several of them forming over here. All right, that one's coming this way.
It looks like it might be, Mom. It is coming towards us, Dad. This way. It looks like it's coming this way.
Coming this way. Right, get in here.
Look, Dad, you can see the shit coming off the ground.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that is right there. That's at George's place. It's going away, Mom.
Huh?
It's going away from us.
Don't come in here until this is over with.
I'm getting video.
It's through the ears.
You see that?
Oh.
How's power line just went out? Power line just got hit.
See that?
Yeah. I got it on video. It's going back up now, it looks like.
It's right to the northwest of our house, but it looks like it's going to
It's going back up now, it looks like. Somebody needs to go look behind us. Somebody needs to go look behind us. That was definitely. Oh, look how dark it is back there. You can't even see.
I don't think there's one behind us.
Look right above us, guys. Look at this, Dad. Look right above us, guys. These clouds are coming together. That's not good. That tornado's still there. Well, I think one's forming right above us.
You just never know about those things. Okay, I'll let you go, Susie. And they're watching it, and they said it looked like it was out our direction.
I think it's probably in Hondo. No, actually, that was right there on 173. Yeah, I got it. I got that power line blue. Oh my God, look at that thing.
Getting off the hill.
think there might be another one coming down over there.
I don't like the
I know. I think we better get back to the house, Dad. Oh, look, Dad, it's pink over here behind us now. See that pink color?
Yeah.
I know. Kind of looks that way. It's pink over here now. You know,